this man and I say, Lord, the woman. And the man I come tell me about him which push gun in my face and shoot me. See, for nothing at all, moms. And then push the gun in the Igla girl face. And then push the gun in the Igla girl face. And all them things. You think them they are justice? Bruce, go away.
Get all of the Igla them off of the road.